मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं।
Hi, you're watching The Sowera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As 2-day Pashupalan Mela has kicked off today here at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. Every year, different departments of the university, they display new products during every Pashupalan Mela. So this time, LPT department of the Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University has come up with some new products, including chicken meat salami, meat sticks, as well as meat pocket. So we are having with us Dr. Pawan Kumar, who is scientist over here at LPT department of Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. So we will talk to him. Sir, first of all, welcome to The Sowera.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what are these new products? Can you just brief about the same? Then how many products are totally displayed and what are the new varieties?
Sir, we have nearly about more than 30 products for display, and we have these 3 products. We have these 3 new products, that is meat pockets and meat salami and meat sticks. So these meat pockets are the snack-based meat products. So these are the basically baked product, and we are having the high fiber content, high prebiotic content. We have high content of inulin, and these are very good for health. We can use them as a snack product also. The meat sticks, these are the sticks developed by the using the edible byproducts. So these are the high in minerals, high in the vitamins, and further there is no need for any low temperature preservation. We know that if we go for the meat emulsion based meat product, we need less refrigeration facility. So under tropical condition like India, this is the perfect product, and there is no need for the refrigeration. We can have the small packets, and these are the some spicy and good quality, so kids will like. Definitely, I hope that kids will like. And these are the salamis, so the department also stabilizes. So this is the high fiber content and the high fiber content and low fat content. So basically these are the functional products. So these are the 3 products department has introduced these times, and these are the other products which we are for display. And there are some emulsion based products such as meat nuggets, meat balls, meat kofta. All these are for the sale purpose also. We have chicken meat samosa, which is very famous for here for our sale purpose also. And if the basically this is for farmers to just encourage them to come into the entrepreneurship. So department is also regularly conducting the various training programs for them. So this training program, depending upon their requirement, depending upon their what the product, which type of product they want. So this varies from the 3 days to 1 week or more than that.
Dr. Pavan, one thing I want to, like you mentioned, the health benefits of these products. So how these products, they differ from the products which are available in the market?
Yes, sir. Suppose there's a meat stick is there. It is not available in our place in India. This is more in the Western countries, but it is lacking here. Same is meat pockets. So generally in market they are just going for the oil frying, means fat frying. But here it is the baked fried. And here in our product we are. This is no natural. This one no synthetic preservatives has been added. So it is purely natural products, and which is having the high this oil quality with good probiotic content, prebiotic contents, good for health. So it is good for the persons who are very conscious about health also. We are getting the good amount of the protein, good amount of the digestible protein, other macronutrients, as well as the health benefits by consuming them.
Sir, how one can get these products or get the training to develop these products?
Yes, sir. For the development of this, regarding the training, the interested parties can contact to department, or we are having our farmer information center is there in the Department of Extension. So we can have this there. And interested farmers can just give their name also. So our students are here, they are writing their names, and whenever the training opportunity is there, we can contact them. And also they can also have make a 5-6 farmers or more farmers group and contact us depending upon their hour suitability, and we will judge the time, and we will have this training also for them. So this is on demand training basically. So on-demand training are throughout the year, 24 into 7. We are having this facility also. Anyone can contact us, the department, or can contact the Farmer Information Center. They can also give guidance.
Beside trainings, if a consumer want to purchase this product, is it available at Vetversity?
Yes, sir. Mela, it is available, and we are having one meat stall is there. This one meat parlor is there near hatchery. So 5 days a week means they are available regularly from 9 to 5:30 p.m. sir. 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. They are regular.
As you said that Vetversity is promoting entrepreneurship. So how many entrepreneurs so far has turned up over here and they have started their business?
Sir, for this entrepreneurship, our university is mainly focusing on the just encouraging the farmers to come and to do their own business, to come in the entrepreneurship. So our department has transferred the 17 technologies to various entrepreneurship, and nearly 40 farmers are doing this, and our number is increasing day by day. So we hope that we will cross the century also very soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
He was Dr. Pawan Kumar, scientist at LPT Department of Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. So you can see the number of products has been displayed by the department over here. There are around 30 products, 30 different types of products, and 3 new products have been added this time by the LPT department, including chicken meat salami, meat sticks, as well as meat pockets. So Dr. Pawan Kumar, he has highlighted the health benefits of these products, and he also mentioned that those who want to get training, the training facilities also available over here at the Vetversity. Moreover, if consumers they want to buy the product directly from the Vetversity, so this facility is also available here at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. So we will keep updating you regarding this Pashu Palan Mela. So stay tuned to us, follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.